Hey, what's up guys? In this video we are going to talk about length variable in Java. Length is a reserved keyword in Java and that is used to determine the size of one particular array. Like in example, here we have one marks array which has the size 4. So to determine the size of the 1D marks array, we have to use the notation marks.length, and this will return the number 4 because the size of the array is 4. But in case of 2D array, the length variable will return the number of row that particular 2D array has. Like in example, here we have one 2D array items which has 3 rows and 4 columns. So while using items.length, this will return the number 3 because the array has 3 number of rows. So to determine the length of one particular row, we have to use the notation items, then inside the square bracket we have to pass in the index of that particular row. So in this case we have to pass in 0 because we are trying to find the size of the first row. So I'm going to pass in items 0 dot length, and this will return the number 4 because the size of the first row is 4. So now we're going to do an example program and try to understand the concept of length variable in detail. So in this example program, first we are going to create one array and then we are going to use the length variable to print the size of that particular array. So first we have created the class called length, and inside the class we have the main method public static void main. Now we are going to create the array integer marks and we are going to assign bunch of numbers to the array. Now we are going to use the system.out.print method and we are going to print marks.length, and we are going to save the program. First we are going to compile the program and now we are going to run the program, and you can see the output is 5 because the array has 5 elements. Now if we use few more numbers and save the program and recompile and run the program, you can see the size shows 8 because now the array has total 8 elements. And this is the way we can use the length variable to determine the size of one particular array. Hope you understand the concept of length variable in Java. I will see you in the next one.